So I wanted to show you this tree that I just glanced over. Look how that thing is just completely gone. There is no more tree. So you guys, I'm headed up this hill here. I'm going to try to take you with me. Might be a little hard because I'm breathing heavy. But I see this tower here at the top of this hill. And I'm going to try my best. Oh, that's a workout for my knees. Oh, it's blocked. There's a gate. Okay. There's a gate here, guys. So, and it's a water tower. So I've come to the end of this particular road. So now we're going to go back down and we are going to take Cougar Trails. So I will catch you down at Cougar Trails. Well guys, that was a hell of a hike, okay, for a row. So we're almost down to the path that I showed you, Cougar Trails. We're about to go down on this path. Now, I took it yesterday, and you guys need to hold on. If I lose you, it's because I lost you. But, we're going to go down the trail, and we are going to do an adventure together. Okay, we're coming on it soon here. Okay. I'm gonna look for the sign. Can't lose the sign. Oh, there it is. Okay, guys. Here we are. Let's go. Okay. So we're back at the Cougar Trails that we are about to go on this adventurous ride. Here we go, guys. Hopefully I don't lose you guys. You gotta see it. I'm looking at mountains. You guys probably aren't. Ow. Okay. There we go. Okay. Whoa. Alright guys. It starts from here. And it goes down. Here we go. We're going downhill. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Crap. Oh, I almost didn't see that. The tree log. Step. And I almost didn't see that. Whoa! Okay. Now we have some branches here. We'll step over. And here we go. Now, there's really not much scenery, guys. Sorry to tell you. But like I said, it was a hiking adventure. Oh, wow. It's a picnic table. How in the world did they get a picnic table up here? Oh, look at the tree. Sawdust. Look at that tree. Huh. So, this trail is where we just came from. Okay, and they got a picnic table here. And they brought this picnic table. I don't know how they got it up here, really. Unless they brought it up over this log. Holy crap. And down that hill, which we're about to go down right now. Hold on, guys. Now, when we first got here, I showed you in the beginning how we would come down this hill, right? Well, we came down it. We came down it, and there we are, Bobcat Ridge. Nice walk, guys. That was kind of cool. Alrighty. And then we're back down to the main thing. How cool is that? Okay, guys, so that was an adventure in itself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head on over to what they call, shuffleboard they have here. Now, I have never played shuffleboard a day in my life, so I have no idea what it is. And then I'm going to head over to the miniature golf course and see what's going on over there that they have here. So, as we're walking, that was a little hike adventure that I take here at 1,000 Trails. So, if you give me a minute, I'll get you over to the miniature golf course and the shuffleboard. Hey guys, Nikki B and Sasha Baby's RV Adventures here at 1,000 Trails. We have a basketball court here. Nice. It's a pretty one. Not that big, not major, but it's good. Here's the shuffleboards. I have no idea what kind of game this is or how to play it. But they're in really good shape. The pools are open, guys. They have 3 pools here. They have an adult pool, a children's pool, and 2 hot tub pools. So, that's pretty cool. But the pool is open now, so I'm probably going to come swimming later, guys. So the pools are open, guys. I'm going to come in and go swimming later on. Both of the pools are open from 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Here's the red barn. This is like the adult barn. This is where all the Wi-Fi and stuff goes. And then further down is the playground and the miniature golf course, which I was going to do today, later on. I will actually. I'm going to head in that direction here shortly. Okay? Okay, guys, here's a creek that runs through the park. It's kind of like, and I'm on a bridge here, as you can see, going towards the play area. Now, they have a pretty good sized play area for the kids, which is awesome because I have 5 grandbabies. I'm sorry, 4 grandbabies. So, it's pretty good when they come for the summer. Summer's just beginning, but here are the swing sets that they have here. That are kind of cool. They do. And then if we come over here, they basically have like a jungle gym type thing, which is cool. The tires, the swings, and stuff like that. Here for the kids. And baby swing. And then over here we have a miniature golf course, which I think is awesome. Because you get to come play miniature golf with your family, even with your spouse, even with yourself, for something to do. And it's a cool little golf course. Very well kept up. It is so cool. And you come out here and you play. And that's how that goes. So you guys, that's my review on 1,000 trails. I'll catch you back at the camper.